If you've added multiple languages to your Shopify store, but customers can't see the language selector, don't worry. This is a common issue that usually happens because of theme settings, market configuration, or missing language setup. Without a language selector, international customers may have trouble browsing your store in their preferred language. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix the language selector not showing on your Shopify store, even if you're completely new to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and go to Settings. From there, click Languages. Make sure you've actually added more than one published language to your store. If only your default language is available, Shopify won't display a language selector because there aren't multiple languages for customers to choose from. If your additional language has been added but is still listed as unpublished, publish it before continuing. Only published languages are available to customers on your storefront. Next, go to Settings and click Markets. Open the market where you want multiple languages to be available. Check the Languages section and verify that the published language has been assigned to that market. If a language isn't assigned to the customer's market, the language selector may not appear. Now go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your active theme. Many modern Shopify themes include a built-in language selector, but it may be disabled by default. Look through the header or footer settings for an option called Language Selector, Localization, or Market Selector. If you find it, simply enable the toggle and save your changes. If your current theme doesn't support language switching, check whether a newer version of the theme is available. Updating your theme may add localization features that weren't included in older versions. If you're using a custom or third-party theme, review its documentation to confirm that multilingual support is available. Another common cause is missing translation content. If you've installed a translation app but haven't translated your store content yet, Shopify may not display language options correctly. Open your translation app or the Languages section and ensure your products, collections, pages, and navigation have been translated. You should also review any localization or translation apps installed in your store. Some apps replace Shopify's default language selector with their own version. If the selector disappeared after installing a new app, temporarily disable it and test your storefront again. Browser cache can also affect what you see. Clear your browser cache, open an incognito window, or test your store using another browser or device. Cached data sometimes prevent newly enabled language selectors from appearing immediately. If you're using Shopify Markets, test your store from different countries using the Market Preview feature. Some languages are only displayed for specific markets, so checking multiple locations helps confirm that everything is working correctly. After making your changes, visit your storefront and look for the language selector in both the header and footer. Switch between languages to verify that translated pages, products, and menus display correctly throughout the store. If the language selector still doesn't appear, contact your theme developer or Shopify support. They can help identify theme-specific settings or compatibility issues that aren't visible from your dashboard. So, to quickly recap, publish your languages, assign them to the correct markets, enable the language selector in your theme, review translation apps, clear your browser cache, and thoroughly test your storefront. In most cases, these steps will restore the missing language selector. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the language selector not showing on your Shopify store. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.